Now, AltSeason was trending earlier today on Twitter, and I want to talk to you guys about what exactly needs to happen on these charts for that to even be possible at this point. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Bitcoin chart, the total 2 chart, and I want to talk to you about the levels that we need to hold for this thing to bounce and have a nice recovery, and talk to you about what I'm seeing on these charts if we don't have that recovery, and a little bit about what I'm going to be doing about my portfolio in either case. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and let's just get right into it right now. So of course Bitcoin is looking real dippy right now around this point, but these lines that I have pulled up right here is the fib retracement from the bottom of here to the top of here, and we can see that this white line right here that I have pulled up is the 618 fib level. See if we can see that. It's the 618 fib level, and that's sitting right around 40k. So I'm thinking, hey, this price could probably come down, and if it's gonna bounce, it will probably bounce around there. That would also coincide and have some confluence down here with the TDI, and that would just be a nice bounce right there. I could definitely see that happening, especially because we've been down for a while. But other than that, things are looking pretty bearish. We definitely below the 13 and 34. That's been dipping. If we go to the weekly, we can see we are well below the 34 moving average, and it looks like the 13 and 34 went across. But that happened over here, back in July or whatever, when things got dippy. So long as we stay above this 618 and kind of go sideways for a little bit, then we can definitely continue back up and keep going up, because that will also signal a higher low on the chart. So we got a couple days to kind of push the price back up for this weekly chart, and hopefully that could happen. But on the daily chart, it is looking pretty bearish. So we got this pattern that played out right here, this kind of this little head and shoulders pattern right here. And if that plays all the way out, that can go down to 29k. So hopefully that pattern kind of ends right here at this level. We have to hold this level right here. If we don't hold that level right there for Bitcoin, then things could just look really bad, and I'm gonna have to look for some type of relief rally to get out of some of the coins that I'm holding, because I don't want to hold those levels. Now, I always talk about having some stable coins on the sideline, so getting more stable coins on the sideline in case these dips happen is the strategy for sure, because you see how those dips recovered in the past when we had these type of like scares and stuff like this. So right now the scare is that the Fed is going to start stop the trickling and they're going to stop helping the economy. So basically we've been in this crazy bull run because they've been helping out the economy, and they said they're going to stop because inflation is getting too high, and of course it is getting too high. Gas is about to hit $6 in California. It's kind of crazy. They got to do something about it. Can't go on forever. So we just got to go ahead and change the strategy for trading into like a short strategy when that happens or something. But kind of got off on a tangent right there, but that's what I'm seeing right there. Hopefully we hold that red line right there, because if not, yeah, it looks like 29k could be incoming pretty hard. And if that happens, then yeah, no, we don't want to talk about if that happens. Going into the total too, it looks very much like Bitcoin, but we have a definite downtrend solidified right here. We got 3 touches on this downtrend right here, and that's looking like we could have some more downside. So back down to that $1 trillion level would be pretty, I wouldn't be surprised if that happened. But if we hold here, I also wouldn't be surprised because that would coincide with the TDI. So I'm leaning more towards I want this to happen. But hey, with the whole entire market scared and a lot of people just kind of getting out, taking profit, especially a lot of people who've been making a bunch of millions over the last couple of months from this monetary policy that we've been having, they're going to be taking profit. And the money flow is in crypto is they're going to go from these coins up. You know, when they're coming in, it goes these coins down. When we're coming in, we're going from fiat to Bitcoin, large caps, mid caps, low caps. When we're getting out, we're going from low caps straight into Bitcoin. All these go straight into Bitcoin and then into fiat. So yeah, for me right now, the main thing that I'm doing is I'm watching these charts pretty close. I'm seeing if we have some bounces. When we do have these bounces, I'm going to be watching these resistance levels. For example, on the total 2, I'm going to watch if we can get above this white line right here. If we can't break above this white line anytime soon, that is just looking pretty bad, and I'm going to have to take my relief rally and get out right there. You know, had a nice run, not saying had because I don't think it's really over, but we've had a nice run so far in crypto, and it's been a nice bull run. It's been pretty up. A lot of people have seen only up so far, so seeing these nice scares in the news and seeing that this price action is getting pretty dippy, yeah, just got to be ready for anything. Like I said, for me, I don't know, I'm right on the brink of this is where my flipping from bullish to bearish happens, right on these levels right here. So let me know what you guys think about these levels. Do you guys think this is just a shakeout? Do you think that the Fed news is really bad and everybody should sell all of their assets and go into something a little safer like gold? Let me know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know if any crypto projects you want me to take a look at. Till next time, peace.